Uh, go- Good evening, everyone. We are eagerly waiting for Module 6, which is going to talk about machine learning. Why is it important for the medical doctors? To take this topic, we have our eminent speaker, Dr. Anurag Agarwal. He doesn't require any introduction. He was the person who moderated the data along with Fanindri Aluvathi on the Module 3. But just to refresh, he is the winner of the Shantashwarup Bhatnagar Award, which is considered as Indian Nobel, one of the youngest scientists. He worked as the director of IGIP. Currently, he is a Dean of Biosciences at Ashoka. Welcome, sir. Please tell our listeners what you're going to teach us.
Thank you very much, Suresh. It will be a pleasure to speak to a large group of doctors on why AI is important for them, but also when they should use it, when they should not use it. If you really think about it, AI has been around for much longer than we think. And what I'll try to cover is how it changed and got into the form that we have today, that we are already starting to worry about AI replacing doctors. I will try to cover why some degree of use of AI is inevitable. As data becomes increasingly more complex, as things become more than we can handle, beyond simple labor shortages and things like this, we will all feel the need to use AI to deliver the best possible healthcare that we can for the patient. At the same time, despite how smart AI sounds, despite how coherent it sounds, it is just a function of its architecture. And we will also discuss how coherence is not correctness. And the most dangerous lies are the ones that are also the most coherent sounding. And that's why I think for a very long time, we will still continue to have humans not just in the loop, but directly supervising how AI should be used overall. And yes, there will be certain areas that are beyond humans to actually do. And there we will see increasing seeding of those tasks to AI. And there we will see humans on the loop. And I'm going to explain that very unique word, humans on the loop, in the lecture. But I look forward to talking to my young and senior, all colleagues from the medical background, on why they have to embrace artificial intelligence in the healthcare system, but also why they must remain cautious and they must remain in control of the way we position healthcare and AI together. And this will all come at the launch of the Indian strategy for AI in healthcare for India, was just launched on 17th February. And I'll try to continue on the principles that we discussed over there.
That's great, sir. And to moderate this session, we have Dr. Chandra Ling Shetty. He is a graduate, MBBS graduate from Andhra Medical College, then went on to UK to do his Artho fellowship. Then he did his internal medicine from US. Then he did his MBA from the Harvard. And he's an AA enthusiast himself. Chandra, just let us, you're going to moderate along with Dr. Anurag Agarwal about this very important session. Just let us know, why is it so important for the doctors to learn about this particular aspect?
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, NBEMS, for giving this opportunity. Dr. Suresh, thank you. Dr. Agarwal, it's a pleasure meeting you, sir. I think this topic is very relevant and timely, given the paradox modern Indian healthcare is going through, which is increasing clinical complexity, but limited time and resources, right? So I think AI and machine learning especially addresses this problem by identifying patterns across large clinical data sets, supporting population level decision making rather than individual clinical replacement. In our session, we're hoping we will discuss the evidence-based scenarios for its use. For example, risk stratification, early disease prediction, and operational workflows. We will also discuss when to proceed with caution, especially when the data are incomplete or biased, when model outputs are non-interpretable, or when clinical accountability cannot be clearly assigned. As a clinician, I am hoping that this session will examine the indications and contraindications of machine learning in healthcare with very specific relevance to Indian clinical practice and patient safety. Looking forward to talking to you and see you on 25th of February. Thank you.
Absolutely. There is a small announcement before
Thank
we
you,
sign
Dr.
off
Chandra.
that this is going to be a attempt to Guinness World Records. So to all the viewers and listeners, please log in through the official channel and take a snapshot and then submit it to the specific link. And we are eager to give you the certificates once we are successfully through it. Thank you very much, Dr. Anurag Agarwal and Dr. Chandra Shetty for the time. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Good day.
everyone.